Hi, I am Judy Madulara and this is my video presentation for Numerical Method Laboratory Play 2 Activity 1. As you can see in my script, in the first line, I commented there the file name of my script file, and from the line 2 till line 12 is the little bit explanation for the formula that's gonna be used in this problem. The coefficient of restitution for this case, where the friction forces are negligible, can be found as follows. Cr is equal to small letter h divided by big H multiplied by 1/2, where Cr is the coefficient of restitution, small h is the bounce height, and h is the drop height. Manipulating the equation, since we know the initial height, which is the drop height, and the coefficient of restitution, we can obtain the bounce height as follows. H is equal to Cr2 multiplied by h. Therefore, the total distance of the ball traveled when it hits the surface for the nth time could be expressed with an equation. Hn is equal to hn minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by cr2. Then writing the given into a variables, so c, which is the coefficient of restitution, is equal to 0.9. H naught, or the drop height or the initial height, is equal to 2. Small h, or the bounce height, is equal to initial height. D is equal to is the distance of the ball from after it hits the surface, is equal to h0 or h naught. Then for the for loops, I is equal to I colon n, which means that to do n times. Then h is equal to c multiplied by h, d is equal to d plus 2 multiplied by h is the formula from this equation. Then end, which is the end of the loop. In the command window, type the command format long so that the fixed decimal format will become 15 digits after the decimal point. Then enter the number of the bounce, which is n. For instance, I put 10 bounce. Then call on the script file name, distance call. The distance is still changing from 24 to 25. Let's try another number for the n, 25. Again, type on the file name. As you can see in the D, 34.8, the next 35, the next is still 35. It still have 2 tries. So we try another. N is equal to, since we have 25, we try on 30. Call again. So from in 25, then the last number is 35 point something, but in 30, it's still increasing. 25 become 36, 36, 36. Try another one. 30, we try 40. 40 bounce. Distance ball. call on the file name again. 37. From the bounce 30, we have 36. 36. Then in bounce 40 in bounce 40 times, we have 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, 37. We'll try another one so that we concluded that 37 would be the distance. Or in number 37, it stopped changing the distance of the ball. So we try on 50 to add another 10 balls. Bounce, I mean. Distance ball. So it's still 37. For N40, 37, then N50, it's still 37. We'll try another one. So 55. Distance ball. It's still 37.8. So by trial and error, I came up to approximately 35 bounds before the total distance, which is 37, stopped changing. Therefore, it concludes that the bounds is 35, I mean, and the total distance is 37. And that would be all. Thank you.